times that people make this mistake or use this tactic or end up employing this kind of language. Many times, it's not that, if you're using what are called weasel words is bad, but it does get annoying if you use them constantly to avoid actually citing real people or real evidence or real studies or real anything. Many times, please stop using weasel words. Please don't use weasel words. Please give up weasel words. And you might be wondering, what are weasel words? And that's okay, because I'm going to tell you. A weasel word, also known as anonymous authority, is an informal term for words and phrases aimed at creating an impression that a specific and/or meaningful statement has been made. Many times, when only a vague or ambiguous claim has been communicated, enabling the specific meaning to be denied if the statement is challenged. Many times,
I'm a political scientist.